Making friends as an introvert isn't harder, it's just different.
Joy Lab.
Hello everyone, I'm Tonya Lehman, the Speaking Confidence Coach. I help introverts communicate with confidence without changing your introvert nature, so you can thrive in leadership, in relationships, and in everyday life. Today we're talking about something many introverts quietly struggle with, but rarely say out loud: making friends. If you're an introvert, you probably don't want more friends. You want meaningful friends. And while solitude is important, connection still matters. Research consistently shows that strong relationships improve mental health, resilience, even longevity. Introverts don't need constant social interaction, but we do need people. So let's talk about 3 introvert-friendly ways to meet new people who could actually become friends and why it's worth the effort. The first introvert-friendly way to meet new people who could actually become friends is start where repetition does the work for you. Introverts often think that friendship requires bold moves or instant chemistry. It doesn't. One of the easiest ways for introverts to build relationships is through repeated low-pressure contact. Think classes, clubs, volunteer roles, faith communities, dance lessons, book clubs, walking groups, places where you see the same people over time. You don't have to be on. You don't have to impress anyone. You just simply show up. Familiarity builds comfort, and comfort builds conversation. Over time, short interactions turned into shared jokes, then shared stories, and then trust. For introverts, repetition replaces small talk with recognition. And that's where real connection begins. The second introvert-friendly way to meet new people who could actually become friends is let the activity do the social heavy lifting. Introverts thrive when conversation has a purpose. Meeting people through an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's hiking, singing, crafting, gaming, or dancing, takes the pressure off of, what do I say? The activity gives you a built-in topic, natural pauses, permission to listen more than talk. And here's the key. When you're doing something you love, you're more yourself. That's when people meet the real you, not the socially exhausted version trying to perform. Friendship grows faster when it's rooted in shared interests instead of forced interaction. Before I share the third tip, please take a moment to click like and subscribe. It helps more quiet professionals find their voice by finding my YouTube videos. And if what I'm saying resonates with you, look below for more resources. Let's work together. Because becoming an introvert who can confidently speak up is the most effective way to build stronger relationships, earn respect at work, and share your ideas where they matter most. The third introvert-friendly way to meet new people who can actually become friends is practice small, brave follow-ups. This is where many introverts stop short, not because they don't care, but because they don't want to intrude. Making friends doesn't require grand gestures. It requires one small follow-up. I really enjoyed talking with you. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? Or, I'm going to that event next week. Do you want to join me? Or, you mentioned that book. Can you send me the title? These are not interruptions. They are invitations. And that's why this matters. Many people are lonely, even if they don't look it. Your quiet invitation might be exactly what that person is hoping for, but is too afraid to ask themselves. Introverts often wait to be chosen. Friendship grows when you gently choose back. Friendship isn't about filling your calendar. It's about having people who know you. And as introverts, we don't need many friends, but we do need safe connections where we can think out loud, laugh freely, and be fully ourselves. Building these relationships takes intention, but it doesn't require becoming someone you're not. I'm Tonya Lehman. You are valuable. You can speak up.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.
Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.